How to manage privacy and security settings in Bolt. Your safety and data privacy matter. Here's how to manage both inside the Bolt app. First, go to your Bolt profile and tap Settings. From there, choose Privacy or Security. You'll find options to manage data sharing, location permissions, and notification preferences. You can also review which personal details are visible and choose what to share with drivers. For added safety, turn on two-step verification if it's available in your region. This helps protect your account from unauthorized access. Regularly review your active sessions and log out from any devices you don't recognize. It's a small step that keeps your account secure. How often do you check your privacy settings? Let us know about it in the comments below. And that's how you can manage privacy and security settings in Bolt. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.